Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be an interesting video that I never really thought that I was going to do because I initially thought this company was like a scam site. If you've landed on this video, you probably know what Wish is. It's been around for a while. There are a lot of YouTube videos already out there and I'm kind of late to the bandwagon or hopping on the train or whatever the saying is. But I decided to do the whole, you buy the first so many free things you see on the Wish site. I often see complaints, but I feel like some of these complaints are coming from people that probably have never ordered anything from the site before. But I got all my items within 2 weeks, and it'd take like 3 to 6, like it suggests sometimes. It is a random hodgepodge. If you've ever been on the app, you will totally understand that the browsing page, I don't even know how they come up with how they arrange everything. It's just a random assortment of items. And then mixed in are the free items where you just pay the $2 to $3 shipping. I believe everything that I have, it all had $2 shipping. So I got the items for free, but I basically paid $2 for everything. And so I actually have more than these 10 items, but I'm gonna save it for a future video. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm gonna show you, I actually have just posted a video talking about my experience with the items. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of the way. Because the shipping's so cheap, they often send these things in just these plasticky bags, which, I've never had anything come broken or busted open, so I guess it's efficient enough. But I actually ordered myself a Viva cup, which is the Wish's equivalent of basically the copycatting the Diva cup. Except this wasn't 25 bucks plus shipping. This was only $2 for me. But here's the cup. It basically looks exactly like the majority of the menstrual cups out there, made the same exact way. And then it had this little pamphlet that basically talked about the product and how to properly insert it and stuff like that. And so if you want to know about what my experience was with that thing, with my last period, I'll put that review up in the cards. No idea what's in here. This was a free, even though the shipping's only $2, they don't do it entirely like really crappy or anything. Because I think this is like a watch bracelet thing. It's awesome that it actually has like the stopper right here so the battery wouldn't run while it was being sent, which I'll leave that plugged in. But hey, here's the watch. Only paid $2 for this thing. And the way this goes on, which I have really teeny tiny wrists, so this is gonna be interesting, but I'll go ahead and put this on for you guys, is that the leather and chain bits is supposed to wrap around your wrist like a bracelet. Here you go. Of course, this has been in the package, so it needs to like unstiffen itself. But I think that's not bad for $2. And they have this in different colors too. I'll leave it on. I have, I think, 2 other things I will try on for you guys, but I'm gonna save those 2 things for last. Here's something else. Have no idea what's in here. Don't remember. So if any of you guys are subscribers of mine, if you watch my vlogging series, you would know that my niece got into a very unfortunate car wreck around the holidays. And my parents actually bought her a smart car. And the smart cars, I think, are just so cute. But they come with this thing with the car that you stick to your phone that allows you to stick your phone into like the air vent so you can be hands-free. And so Wish was basically selling for free. I'm realizing now this is not the same exact thing, because hers is definitely different. But this is basically what it is. Of course, this is supposed to adjust, which it does, okay? And then this attachment will actually, it's very stiff, but it's a little bit pliable. But it is supposed to stick. Oh, and you can actually tighten it. so that it doesn't move around. But this one, actually, it's supposed to stick it to my air vent so that I can stick my phone in my air vent and not have to worry about doing anything stupid with my phone while driving. So, okay, here's the next thing. I think this adds to my sunglass addiction. It's a pair of sunglasses. I have a subscriber that's asked me to do a sunglass collection, which I still plan on doing. I just haven't gotten to it yet. But, ooh, these things are stiff. They're a little bit, but again, these were free, so I really feel like I can't really complain. But here you go. They actually look like a cheap pair of sunglasses that I ordered from Topman, I think. I actually think these are bigger. I think they're not bad. The next thing I have, I already think I recognize what this is. It's gonna be hilarious. They sell a lot of costume jewelry. Jewelry that actually looks pretty real. And I bought this so that I could be even more unapproachable in public settings. This is basically a fake engagement ring or wedding ring that you can buy yourself, and the reviews of it were very positive. This is just something I would like to have for when I go out, even though I feel like me wearing this probably, it doesn't matter. It won't even matter to some people. Or I could wear it at work. Not that I'm complaining about when I get hit on, but it's just the men where I live are just really thirsty. And so, there we go. Can you see that? Now, I have very small fingers, and they actually did have my size, even though I feel like it is a little too big. But does this really look like a fake ring to you? That was actually free, but only cost me $2 shipping. To talk about my personal experience, I used to be, back in 2008, I was a fine jewelry counter manager. And I have to say, if someone walked by me with this on, I would not initially think that this was fake. But anyway, this is actually set, ooh, hello. And this is actually set in sterling silver. I see the stamp on the inside, so. $2, people. The next thing are just a pair of fake glasses. I actually should probably be wearing glasses, to be perfectly honest, right now. Just because I feel like as I get older, my 20/20 vision isn't 20/20 anymore. But, I don't know. I just wanted a pair, like a fun pair of fake glasses that I could have, that I could just slap on to, not disguise myself, but basically, I don't know. But I like these style. I'm sure it's probably gonna be obvious to people if I wear these out in public that they're not real. But I honestly don't care. And these were free. This was actually before I got my pop socket, but this is a prettier version of a pop socket. Basically, nice packaging too. The glue on my pop socket is starting to wear down a little. I don't know how this is actually supposed to work, but this is actually supposed to stick on the back of your phone. And then this thing that basically looks like a ring is what you could stick your finger through to hold your phone and then to prop it somewhere. So when my pop socket wears off, that'll be the next thing that I would use. All right, and this was a cheap little necklace that I ordered. It's like a triple necklace where it has like the center little round thing, the stick. I'm doing such a great job of describing this, but yeah. This is just basically like a long, dramatic necklace that's drapey. Again, free. And the second to the last two things I'm gonna try on for you really quick. I think this was a hat, yes. Which I own very few ball caps. Okay, this does feel pretty cheap. But it says queen on it. And it's just a Velcro closure. Now I have a really big head, so let's see if this, oh, it does fit. There you go, folks. And the last thing I am gonna try on for you guys, I will admit it's a little risque. I've already actually tried this on, was actually really impressed with how it fit. Now this, thing with Wish, you have to be careful because sometimes you'll get things and they won't look exactly like the pictures, just because obviously they're probably just using stolen pictures from another website. This looked more like a shirt and not actually just like a bra when I ordered it. Now this thing isn't completely horrible. I mean, it's a free item, so I mean I wasn't really expecting that much, but again, it advertises it as a shirt, but I have D-cup boobs, and as you can see, it is basically like a bra. But it's actually not bad. There is some padding, but not that much. And it's not bad. Of course, am I gonna have the nerve to wear this like a shirt out in public? Probably not. Maybe under something that's like really open. But yeah, I would have to say if you're any bigger than me, boob wise, don't even go there. But again, this is it. The first 10 free items that I've bought off of Wish. And I have to say, even though I haven't really put to use every single thing that I've gotten, I'm pretty satisfied. And so if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this at all helpful or entertaining, please don't hesitate to give this a thumbs up and subscribe and become part. Don't hesitate to give this a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon. Really? Camera.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning. Like a warning. Could have slept here for days.